Hello friends, today I am going to show you Samsung Galaxy S22. Yes, this is the delayed version. As you can see, I have already shown you in my channel the S22 Plus unboxing, but I got this product later on, and so now we unbox it. So let's see. This is green color, 256 GB 8 GB RAM model, and as you can see on the back, it is mentioned as 91999, and we got one quantity of phone and one quantity of cable, one SIM injector tool, and one user manual. And it was manufactured in the month of April 2022. It is manufactured at Vietnam. Okay, let's see and hope what we get inside the box. And in the last video, if you have checked, then this was made in the S22 Plus are made in South Korea. So the box is nice, it's same slim and all. There is a green color S here, and on the green color on the sides. This side is not mentioned. Box is black as compared to the 21 and 22 Plus. 21 used to have the silver badging here. So inside the box, here is the phone. The phone is really compact and slim, as I can see here. And if you hold it in your hands, you will understand what I am meant to say. Keep this aside and check what's inside the box. We get a SIM ejector tool here, one USB-C to C cable, user manual, and the normal region log guide. So I think nothing else inside here. Let's keep this aside and we start the phone up. First of all, before switching it on, we need to see what's on the sides and on top and the back. So let's remove this, my friends. As you can see here, the color is really good. And here it is mentioned that the information on this label is important. User is recommended to keep this label intact for future use and consumer rights protection. I know, but this doesn't look nice. You can keep this here. Let me show you how I keep all this in my phone's box. See, in the box I put the back sticker in this way, and I put this in here. So if you need you need this, so you will be having it with you. This is the back of the phone. As you can see, the color is really nice. Let's compare it to the S22 Plus. Let me remove this case. If you have seen my video, this is the speaking case. First this side and this side. Okay, so you can see the back. This is the S22 and this is the S22 Plus, the black and green. The green looks slightly bluish green. I think both colors are really nice. I like it. This is the phantom black and this is the green. On front side, the display is this phone is quite large. As you can see here, it's quite large. If we compare it with my Pixel, this is the Pixel 3, as you can see here. So let's open the case of Pixel 3 also, so it will be easier for us. This is the original Pixel 3 case, and as you can see here, this is the Pixel 3, and this is the Samsung Galaxy S22, and the size are really same. It is totally same. Some slight might be difference, but this camera, single camera, and this 3 camera are making us confused that this is big phone, but this is totally same. Let me put it on the front to front, and you can see here, see, it's totally same. The size, length, and the width is totally same, and I can feel it in the phone, in the hand also. It's totally same, and it's very compact. I like it. The thing is that Pixel has a front firing speaker. This is the front firing both speakers, and it had 2 front cameras, but this has only 1 front camera. But the main thing is that we used to get 1 camera here, but Pixel cameras are really nice. They don't need a lot of cameras, but nowadays they are also adding cameras in 6 Pro. We get a main sensor of 50 megapixel and another sensor of 12 megapixel, ultra wide of 12 megapixel, 10 megapixel, and the aperture is 1.8, and the front one is 10 megapixel, and display is 6.1. And this side you see it is totally clean. There is nothing, no buttons, nothing. On the top we get 1 microphone here. On the bottom we get another microphone and SIM ejector tray here, and one of the loudspeakers, USB-C port, and the earpiece is inside here. As you can see, this is inside here. Slightly there is a chamfer here, and this chamfer where the sound comes out. On the right side we get the power button and the volume rocker. If we compare it with the Pixel, this is just the opposite. Pixel has the power button on the top and the volume buttons on the below. This is a very good way to put it. Samsung, if you're watching, do remember that we don't need a power button very quick on hand. While talking with call, a person will always adjust the volume of its earpiece or the loudspeaker. They will not go on clicking lock, unlock, lock, unlock. So I would suggest that Samsung should think about it and change the position up for the power and below for the volume. That's all, nothing else. Let's boot this phone up. Okay, this was a pink color, and this is a green color, so it's a good thing. Let me keep this side by side while it is booting up, and you can see the colors. Okay, let me put another phone here for you. That would be my, this is not a Samsung phone, my friends, but to compare the colors, I will put all the colors side by side. This is S22 Plus, this is Pixel 3 pink, this is green, and here is the red, product red of iPhone. So as you can see here, these are the 4 colors that we get. So in the meantime, I think the phone is already booted up. Yes, there is a SIM. I had to put a SIM because this was upgrade offer, so I needed to upgrade it, and to get it connected and get the upgrade offer, you need to put the SIM that you use to upgrade it, the number that you use to upgrade. So the phone is really nice, and we are going to compare it with the Pixel because the form factor is totally same to the Pixel, and with the first holding in my hands, I am very happy about it. The phone is really good, and from my Pixel 3, this is a very good upgrade for me. Yes, this doesn't support 45-watt charger. This doesn't has a 1750 nits of display, the peak brightness, but it has 1300 nits and all the bells and whistles that we need for a phone for general use. I am not a very good gamer that I need on my Samsung phones, and Samsung phones are not good for gaming. So I'm speechless, my friends. I'm speechless. I'm very sorry. I'm speechless after seeing this phone side by side, Pixel and Galaxy S22. I am feeling very happy. So without wasting time, let's boot inside and check. Out of the box we get these apps. As you can see here, these are the apps that we get out of the box. I haven't done anything, I haven't messed up anything. These are the apps that we get out of the box. These are the apps. Let me show you everything. Okay, Google's, these are the apps. Microsoft, these are the apps, and rest all apps, as you can see here. These are the normal things. So I have got the 256 gig model. So let me show you what's the storage that I get here. As you can see here, this is a 256 GB model, and out of the box we have already consumed 14%, that is 38.05. so this is I think including the operating system and other apps, that Samsung based apps take the space. And we have got 8 GB of RAM, and we can also go for the RAM plus, that is 8 GB. We can do it, and if you put the restart, it will just get your virtual RAM to 8 GB. So basically you will have 8 GB of physical RAM, that is internal RAM, and 8 GB of virtual RAM, which is equivalent to, you will be getting around 16 GB of RAM. This phone comes with Samsung's not in-house processor. This phone in India now this year, it is coming with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. So it is the latest flagship processor from Qualcomm Snapdragon, and the phone is not that much hot. I was thinking that since it is a Snapdragon phone, it would get hot, because I do have a Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, which used to get hot, but I do have the Asus ROG Phone 5, but this also doesn't get that hot. 888 processor is good. There are some, if you took a very heavy task to it, it gets to very high temperatures, but in my ROG Phone 5 I have seen that the highest temperature that I go up to is 39-38 degrees while having a hardcore gaming on it. So my friends, this was the unboxing for this, and after the restart, you can see here the RAM would be increased. The physical RAM, it will show here as 8 GB, and reserved is 0.9, but the RAM plus is 8 GB, as you can see here. So I think there would be some recent software updates, because out of the box I think we got the updated software version to be the software version is 4.1, One UI 4.1, Android 12, and the Google Play system update is 1 January 2022, and out of the box the security patch is 1st April 2022. So it is really nice, the latest software that is getting inside this phone. So if your packaging, what I see is that if the packaging is the latest one, that would be the latest version of software that it has. But we did check the system software updates, but it showed that there is no updates presently for this particular phone, and I suppose that's true. So that's all my friends, thank you for watching. If you have any doubts about this product, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and stay safe. Do subscribe my channel. One last look before I stop this video. Bye bye.